To earn money from this new website, you can follow a simple process. Watching just one ad will reward you with $44, while 2 ads will fetch you around $8. If you decide to watch 10 ads, you'll receive $40 repeatedly. As evident from my earnings of approximately $800 on this platform, I'll guide you through the steps of using this website and earning $4 for each ad watched. Additionally, I'll demonstrate how to automate the process for earning through others watching these ads. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Upon visiting the website and navigating to the Cash Out section, you'll find various payment methods such as PayPal, Skrill, crypto, and bank account withdrawals. The minimum withdrawal limit is only 50 cents, which you can easily achieve. Users in the US or the UK can also opt for Amazon gift cards. However, for simplicity, you can start with PayPal, and if you don't have an account, you can create one for free on paypal.com. The initial step is to create an account on the website. Click on Join Free Today, fill in your details on the ensuing page, including your name and email, and follow the prompts. If you have any questions during this process, feel free to ask in the comments. After verifying your email, log in with your credentials, and you'll land on the homepage. While the website offers various ways to earn money, our focus will solely be on making money by watching ads. Navigate to the Earn Points section and select Quick Points. Opt for the option labeled Click on URLs to earn easy points, leading you to a page where you can click the View button to watch a quick ad. Points will accumulate in your account, which can then be converted to real money. Different ads offer varying options, and new ads become available every 24 hours. This process, which only involves watching ads without the need for downloads, typically takes 15 to 25 minutes. Now, let's proceed to the next segment of the video, which focuses on referrals, where I'll demonstrate how you can earn from others clicking on these buttons and watching ads, allowing you to receive a share of their earnings. The referral aspect is crucial and is the primary method I personally use to generate income on this website. Before delving into that, let me quickly show you another avenue where you can earn points by watching ads. Navigate to the Featured Offers section, where you can find various types of offers and sometimes ads that you can watch. Returning to the homepage, you'll notice the Referral Program section if you scroll down. Click on the orange box that says See Your Referrals, taking you to a page explaining the referral system. Here, it emphasizes that by inviting friends to the website, you earn a 15% commission from their earnings. For instance, if someone you referred earns $100, you'll receive $15. The process requires minimal effort, mainly involving inviting others to the website. The website is named getpaid2.com. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now, I'll share my strategy on how to generate thousands of referrals daily for free. Begin by clicking here to copy your referral link. If you're still watching, let me know your country in the comments and don't forget to like the video. After copying the link, head to Facebook and use the search bar to type Make Money Online. Scroll down and select groups, opting for public groups that permit immediate entry without waiting for acceptance. Now, as you can observe, there are numerous Make Money Online groups. Let's take an example and click on one of these groups. Let's choose this one for instance. The initial step is to ensure that the group has a substantial number of members. The larger the group, the more effective it will be. Additionally, it's crucial to check for engagement within the group. For instance, the group we've selected is thriving with active members engaging through comments and likes. Avoid the common mistake of spamming your referral link in the group, as demonstrated by some individuals. Instead, follow a more strategic approach. Create a post within the group stating something like, I recently discovered a new website that allows you to earn money simply by watching ads. Encourage members to express interest by commenting info, and you can send them details privately. This is just an example. You can tailor your message to make it even more compelling. Consider adding an image to your post, showcasing proof of payment similar to what others are doing. This will increase engagement and attract more people to join through your referral link. Employ this method to bring people to your referral link in a subtle way, avoiding direct link spamming that could lead to being banned from the group. Here's another important tip. Make sure to follow up with individuals you message, answering their questions and ensuring they understand how to use the website. Another effective strategy, which yielded even better results for me than Facebook, is using Quora.com. People visit Quora to ask questions on various topics, making it an ideal platform for answering queries about making money online. Start by typing "Make Money Online" in the search bar on Quora, revealing a plethora of questions from people seeking ways to earn money online. Answer each question, informing them about the website and including your referral link. However, remember not to spam links without providing valuable answers. Doing so could result in your account being terminated. Always aim to offer valuable insights in your responses before including your referral link. Additionally, what's advantageous about Quora is that your responses will also appear in Google search results. This means that by putting in the effort once, your answers will persist over time, continually generating passive income every day. In conclusion, the more questions you answer and the more posts you make on Facebook, the greater your chances of increasing your earnings. Ensure you repeat these actions as frequently as possible. It's essential to note that these methods outlined in this video won't require any financial investment. You won't have to spend any money to implement these strategies. Moreover, the beauty of these techniques lie in their universal applicability. They work effectively regardless of your location or country. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!